In this session, we'll understand sum number 4 and sum number 5 of question number 1. Okay. Now, let's see which identity we will follow to solve this particular multiplication. 3a minus 1 by 2, 3a minus 1 by 2. So, we can write it in this way, students. Isn't it? Now, which identity you think? Yes, absolutely. Your guess is absolutely right. That is a minus b whole square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the identity that will apply. Okay. Now, in place of a is what? 3a and b is what? 1 by 2. Isn't it? Now, we'll write this form 3a minus 1 by 2. Isn't it? Now, what is the first thing? A square. So, what is A? A is 3a. So, we will write A square minus 2ab means what? 2 into A into B. So, 2 into A is what? What is the value of A? 3a. And what is the value of B? 1 by 2. So, we will write it down. Plus B square. So, what is B? 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2 whole square. Now, what is the product of 3a into 3a? That is, we will write it in this way. Okay. 3a square means what? 3a into 3a. Now, we will solve this. Now, since it is multiplication, so we can reduce. 2 and 2 would be reduced. Okay. Now, what is left out? 3a into 1. It will be 3a. 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Now, 3a into 3a means 3 into 3, 9, a into a square. Okay, simple. We will write 3a. Now, we will multiply this 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 ones are 1, 2 into 2, 2. So, this is your required answer. Simple. Now, let's see what is there in question number 5. This is sum number 5. Now, you carefully observe that this time you see both the binomials are not similar. Why? 1.1 m minus 0.4 and here it is written 1.1 m plus 0.4. See, here is minus is here, plus is here. So, this time we cannot follow the identity a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. So, there is another identity that we have to follow. What is it? Now, if I consider this 1.1 m as a and 0.4 as b, similarly, we will do the same thing. 1.1 m, what we have considered? A and this as b. So, it is a minus b, isn't it? And this a plus b. So, now which identity will follow? Exactly. That is the third identity. A minus b, a plus b. What was the product of these two? It was a square minus b square. So, this is the identity that will follow now. Okay, this is the identity. So, you should always write which identity you are applying. Okay, now, so it is given in this form, a minus b, a plus b. So, we have to write in this form, a square minus b square. So, what is a, students? A is 1.1 m, isn't it? And what is b? B is considered as 0.4. So, what we have to write? We will write this format again, 1.1 m minus 0.4 and we will write that one also, 1.1 m plus 0.4, isn't it? That would be equals to a square minus b square. So, what is a? 1.1 m. So, we will write it in this way, 1.1 m square. That is a square we have written. Then, what is there? Minus b square. B is what? 0.4. So, we will write 0.4 whole square. So, when you will multiply 1.1 into 1.1, so it is written like this. See, 1.1 m into 1.1 m. Okay. And minus 0.4 into 0.4. Okay. So, when we will multiply 1.1 into 1.1, answer will come 1.21. M into m is m square. Okay. And if you multiply 0.4 into 0.4, the answer will be 0.16. Okay. So, this is your required answer. So, this is the solution of, now in this session you will do sum number 4 and sum number 5 of question number 1. Okay. So, tomorrow again we will begin with question number 6, sum number 6 of question number 1. Fine. Thank you and take care.